of India, Government of Tripura, and the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, Tripura, Motha. A series of meetings were recently held with the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance as Tripura, popularly known as Tripura Motha, and other stakeholders based on which Government of India, Government of Tripura and Tripura agreed to amicably resolve all the issues of the indigenous people of Tripura relating to history, land rights, economical development, identity, our identity, culture, language, etc. Number two, it was agreed to constitute a joint working committee to work out Corporation. Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Minister Tripura, Sri Vikas Debroma, Honorable Minister Government of Tripura, and Sri Shukla Charan Noatia, Honorable Minister of Government of Tripura. Sab Soirika, Sri Maya Garang, Sri Bukhari, Bubogra, Podupikam Kishore Manik. Vijay Kumar Uncle, President Tripura Motha.
Vijay Kumar Uncle, Vijay Kumar Uncle,
Number 3, Onimesh Debroma, Award. On behalf of Government of Tripura, Chief Secretary Tripura, J.K. Singha, Piyush Goyal, Additional Secretary Northeast, Ministry of Home Affairs, Soirika.
Bangma borok sungno chini chobano ereng thokai samai na kya haise agra dili sabai malai botoga tei khani malai botoga ma thang ni sunmani ini praman phuka je tiprasa haise bangma tiprasa chini chobano poitosai yang tongmani ini baksa tiprasa o chobano kathang kubui